Hi everyone, my name is Jared. Today I will show you a new project based on MEV. A bot that was created to facilitate your earnings. I will show you how to start working with a bot, how to send Ethereum to a smart contract, how to launch a bot and show you the final income literally in an evening, as well as demonstrate to you the method of withdrawing your funds from the bot. To get started with the bot, follow the link in the description and comments. This will lead you to the developer platform, Remix Web 3. After you visit the site, click the Start Coding button and select the wallet that you will use. However, my advice is to use the MetaMask wallet. This button is missing for me since I have already logged into this platform. After you have done this, select the contracts folder and create a new subfile named bot.sol. Then copy the code from the file referenced in the description and paste it into the bot. Sol space. Now after you have done this, go to Solidity Compiler. Check the compiler version at the very top of the code. It should be 0.6.6. Select the exact same version from the compiler version selection drop-down menu. Leave everything as it is in advanced configuration, then click the Compile bot.sol button. After the code compilation is done, go to the Deploy and Run Transactions on Remix tab. Then you need to select a wallet. To do this, expand the Environment tab and select MetaMask. Then confirm the connection of the wallet. To do this, expand the Environment tab and select MetaMask. Then confirm the connection of the wallet. To continue working with the bot, you need to pay for gas, commission, on the Ethereum network. To do this, click Deploy, then confirm the gas payment and select the method of writing off the commission, in our cases, aggressive, to quickly confirm the operation. In order to transfer Ethereum to a smart contract, you need to go to the Etherscan website and copy our contract address. After that, we go to MetaMask and send Ether to the copied smart contract address. It is important to send from 0.15 Ethereum and above. After we have sent Ethereum, we wait until the transaction is completed in the wallet. It takes literally 10 to 20 seconds, after which we update the Etherscan page and see that Ethereum has been successfully received. In order to launch the bot, go to Remix, then press the Start button, confirm that we are ready to pay for gas, after which we automatically open a MetaMask where it is necessary to confirm the write-off of gas, commission. After a successful transaction, the bot is launched. Literally 6 hours later, I went back to Etherscan to show you the income using this bot. The income was about $500, which is pretty good for passive earnings.